Hello, so finally I'm sitting down and recording a video. I actually was, I recorded a video a few weeks back, but as I'm sitting down thinking that I should edit it and post it, I'm like, okay, that should not, like that would not be accurate anymore because in the past month or so, I've been changing the way I eat again. Not necessarily like drastic or a lot. I still pretty much eat the same, but I did a detox from Anthony Williams' new book, Liver Rescue, and you guys know how I feel about his books and about all the recommendations he does. I truly follow him. I wanted to try without the supplements that he recommends first. So I did that, but then I really want to go ahead and buy also the supplements that he recommends and take them daily and see if that helps me even more. Sadly, I went to see a doctor. Okay, before I explain all that, the reason why I'm doing this and why I read the book and why I did the detox and all that, it's because I think I mentioned before on my last video, but I've started getting some hives all over my body. And at first I thought, okay, it maybe could be my thyroid, and I was doing research and finding how sometimes Hashimoto patients get hives, and I used to get hives back when I was younger, so I thought, oh, it could be maybe that, but they're so random. So I came across this book and I read it, and I saw some of the symptoms that he describes as having some issues with the liver, which, to be honest, I believe that everyone has issues with their liver. Therefore that's why this book is like literally for everyone, and same with the detox. But I believe that it would help me a lot if I would do it too. So long story short, I went to the doctor first, and then I did some blood tests. It all came back normal as usual. My thyroid was good again after the change of dosage from when like I was pregnant to now. And sadly she didn't give me any answers. So after doing this detox for 9 days, today is the last day, and I wanted to do an intro talking about that. And tomorrow I'm starting the day eating normal, but I'm gonna try to do the morning rituals or the morning suggestions from his book, and I'll show you what I eat throughout the day. Also, I do want to say it helped my hives a lot. They're not 100% gone, but I don't know if I would need to do another detox some other time, or maybe taking the supplements that he advises to take, which I will buy and I will start taking them soon. Maybe that will help me even more. But so far I have hope that these things are gonna go away. I do feel like 95% better, I swear, and that's just amazing. I was yesterday honestly thinking in my bed, I'm like, should I cry? Because this is awesome. Like I just can't believe 9 days and it helped me that much, and it is great. I really recommend, if you feel just anything, you should buy the book and do the detox, because it really amazed me how much it helped me. So yeah, I won't show you about the detox today because there's nothing really to show other than you should buy the book if you want to do it. But I will show you what I eat tomorrow. And also to mention that I haven't weighed myself in, but I do feel a lot thinner. Like, and it's crazy because up until yesterday I was eating as much as I wanted to, just the foods that were allowed. So it's not like you starve yourself or anything like those type of detox, but yeah, you totally feel the change. And also with my skin, I feel it like so much better. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning for my breakfast, and I will show you what I eat throughout the day. By the way, Can't believe he's turning 4 next week. Not 4 years, 4 months. So in love with him.
Perfect, perfect.
Here's a falafel mixture, and basically I just dump everything in the food processor and make it kind of like a dough thing, and then I'm gonna make little balls, about a tablespoon of the mixture, and bake it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Here are my falafels already going in the oven, and like I said, they would just cook in about 30 minutes. Okay, so for dinner, I'm gonna make this curried butternut squash soup from Minimalist Baker. I like this blogger because all her recipes always work. Like, I've never made this, but I know it's probably gonna be good because all her recipes are good. I'm gonna skip the oil. I don't have shallots, so I'm gonna use a little bit of onion, then the garlic, then butternut squash, salt, pepper, curry powder, cinnamon, coconut light coconut milk. I think instead of the coconut milk, I'm gonna use cashew milk that I made earlier. I do have coconut milk, but I'm saving it for another recipe I'm making tomorrow for my husband. He wants French soul pie, so I'm making that. And the vegetable broth, maple syrup, and chili garlic paste. Looks pretty good, to be honest. And it's perfect for a fall night.
Perfect.